Alright guys, this is my new 2012 Infiniti G37s 6-speed manual transmission. I bought it with 69,000 miles on it. It's from California, still has California plates on it. I am now officially going to be active again on YouTube. Most of the content going forward will be over the G, but I will have like a mini series where I feature other people's cars as well. The kind of content I'm looking to record is 4K videos where it's minimal talking and mainly the raw experience, if that makes sense. I have a few videos like that already you guys can check out, but that's just my video style. So this car is mostly stock, but it already has a few modifications. So our exhaust is completely replaced already. We have Stillen Headers and then a Stillen catback exhaust. Sort of see that right here. All right, under the hood, we have a lot of blue accents from the previous owner. Painted everything blue here. It doesn't look too bad, if I'm being honest. Honestly, don't mind it. But the only mods we have here are Stillen long tube intakes to complement the Stillen exhaust. That is pretty much everything that is done to the car. So going forward, I definitely do want to eventually boost this car. I plan on doing a single turbo kit. In the meantime, this Stillen exhaust is too quiet for me. I'm going to change up a few parts of the exhaust to get it sounding better. I'm also going to do some minor cosmetic mods. I really don't plan on doing a whole lot. I think all I'm going to do is lowering springs, wheel spacers, tint the windows, basic stuff like that. Get a nice fitment going. I might take it to a shop and fix some of these paint scratches we have here. But other than that, cosmetic wise, I'm not going to be doing a whole lot to this, as I'm looking to save up and boost the car instead. The interior of this car is flawless. There are no scratches, no dents, no tears in the seats. The leather's in good condition, especially for a decade-old car. This car was hard to find too, especially in the 6-speed. And speaking of 6-speed, this is my very first manual transmission. I'm coming from the automatic version of this car, the blue G37 that I had that was previously on this channel. So I'm still trying to get the hang of things. I stalled quite a few times my first time driving, but you know, I'll look back at this in a few months and realize how easy stick actually is once I've gotten used to it. It recently snowed here in Texas, so I was able to take the car out and do some drifting. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug in those drifting videos here for extra content, and then yeah, that's all I have to say. Just stay tuned, and we got a lot of content coming up, so I hope y'all enjoy.